guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to tone out any brassiness or orangeness in your hair. If you have recently tried to either go from dark hair to blonde hair or lighten your hair in any way, sometimes it does turn a little orange or brassy depending on how much you're trying to lighten it. So basically yesterday I just redid the whole process that I did in my first video of the DIY balayage. I will link that in the description below. So basically I just redid that entire process another time. Normally I wouldn't have to tone it when I do the process, but this time I wanted to go a little bit lighter than I normally do just because summer's coming up. And so I kind of lifted it a few extra tones than I normally would. So it came out a little more warm than I would like. I do like it a little warm sometimes, and I could totally leave it like this. It's not that it looks like orange or bad or anything. But honestly, I just want it to be like a little more like ashy blondie tones. So I went to Sally's. And honestly, this is the best combination for brassiness. I know a lot of people use the Wella toner, the T14, and actually that's not going to really tone out the brassiness as much, especially if you have like a lot of really orangey tones. That's not really going to do it for you. The best thing to do is go with the Wella toner, but go with a T14 instead. So it's just the Wella T14 toner in Pale Ash Blonde. You have to mix 1 bottle of this with 2 parts developer. So this is 1.4 fluid ounces. So that means you're going to want at least 2.8 fluid ounces of developer. So, and I have the Wella 20% developer here. For toners, you only want to use 20% for the developer. You don't need any more of that. And then it depends on how long you leave it on, as to how much, like how ashy you want the blonde or how much brassiness, orangeness you want to tone out. So for me, I'm probably only going to leave it on for probably like 20 minutes. I think on here, yeah, on here it says that you can leave it up to 30 minutes. I'm probably gonna do like 15 minutes or 20, just because I don't want it to be like too ashy. I still like it a little bit warm. So I just have a cute little purple mixing bowl with my mixing brush. And I'm wearing this like old towel just in case, you know? Okay, so I'm just gonna take the T14 and I'm going to pour the entire bottle in here. So the entire bottle. Let's go away. And this is 3.6 ounces, so I don't need the entire thing, so I'm just gonna go almost all of it because obviously you need 2 parts of the developer to 1 part of the toner. Okay, so that should be good. Okay, so I'm just going to mix it. Okay, so now that it's all mixed, I'm just going to start putting it on. so now that my hair is fully saturated and I have like it everywhere all over me, I am going to just sit here and look super cute. And I'm gonna wait probably about 15 minutes and then I'm going to rinse it out. I'm probably going to use some purple shampoo also. And then I will see you guys in a few. Okay, so my hair has been washed and dried, and I left it in for a total of like, it was actually like 18 minutes, like between 15 and 20. Let me give you a close up here. So yeah, so you can see that it's a lot more ashy. So a lot of that brassiness is toned out. And I wanted it to still be a little bit warm. Yay. So much prettier. So yeah, didn't take long at all. Obviously, if you had more orangey or brassy tones, you'd want to leave it closer to the 30-minute mark. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye.